This third question is just like the first one. Try it on your own. If you have any questions, please ask me. Let's go to the next one. Now this one is a kind of, it's not tricky, but there's a slight difference in selecting your two triangles. First, let me name it like I usually do. A, B, C, and D. All right, so if I choose the two triangles with the X, all right, the small one, ABD, and ABC, that's what I would have done if I follow the same rules of the previous videos. But we have a slightly irritating problem when we do that. You see the length of AC over here in the bigger triangle, it becomes X plus 36, and that's really a pain to work with. Okay, so what we do here in this question is look at the other triangle, the smaller one. We actually have two informations in this triangle. We have 48 and 36. We have two sides, the length of two sides. When you have the length of two sides in one triangle, you must include that triangle. It's going to make all your ratios so much simpler. Okay, so let's try that. Let's try using the two smaller triangles. Okay, suppose that I did not have the value of 36 over here. You probably won't even be able to solve the question. So most of the time when you have something like this X plus 36 kind of format, use the two smaller triangles. Okay, so first, when we have here, our first triangle is going to be ABD. Our second triangle is going to be BCD. So let's start the same rule again. This is our 90 degrees over here. Opposite to the 90 degrees is our hypotenuse. So this is my first triangle. I gotta write this down. First triangle, this is my second triangle. Hypotenuse of the first triangle is AB. Hypotenuse of the second triangle is BC. The short leg of the first triangle is BD. The short leg of the second triangle is CD. The longer leg of the first triangle is AD, and the longer leg of the second triangle is BD. Now let me tell you something. I usually, when I do the longer leg, I sometimes just forget and put the hypotenuse. Make sure that apart from the hypotenuse, you have two legs, and in that, which one is the longer one? Okay, I do that mistake. That's a silly mistake that a lot of people do. So we do not have the information about the hypotenuse in the first triangle, so probably you can just chuck this out. We have BD, which is 48, over CD, which is 36, is equal to AD, which is X, over BD, which is 48. So now you cross multiply, you get 48 times 48 is equal to 36 times x, 36x. So when you have multiplication, you're gonna divide by 36 on both sides and find the answer.